Nick, let's talk about Pure Storage. When we focus on technical debt and sort of above the line, we start thinking about the data and the use of the data. Insert organizations and entities like Pure Storage, right? Taking us from sort of flat ground up to a higher order as far as capabilities. Give us a look at 2024 and what it looked like for Pure Storage.
Well, thank you, Luke. It's actually a delight to follow Maggie because obviously Verizon drives the network and we drive the data. It was a huge year for us. We began the year by launching our 75 terabyte direct flash modules and putting in the plumbing for consolidated cloud-wide fleet management of data services. We finished the year by launching our 150 terabyte direct flash modules. So to put that in perspective, this gives us the capacity to deliver 3 petabytes of data in a single 3U platform and then orchestrate an entire data enterprise across private and public cloud capabilities. So the biggest thing we did this year actually was with Melinda. So we helped her re-architect the entire Executive Office of the U.S. Attorney's data architecture nationwide across 245 sites. So it is a tremendous transformation for every U.S. attorney, all the way out to the absolute smallest districts, all the way back to the core enterprise. So tremendous improvements in performance and end user experience, a tremendous improvement in cost efficiency of the data across the nation. But to put this into like cloud scale perspective, that entire architecture is managed, monitored, maintained, sustained, and secured from one location by a small team. So delivering the cloud experience both for on-premises data capability and off-premises data capability and linking them is probably the most significant accomplishment that we experienced in the past year supporting the federal government. Secondary items, we've continued to extend our lead both in conventional data services as well as advanced data services and artificial intelligence. We were selected by CoreWeave, which is the largest hyperscale artificial intelligence tailored capability in the country. And the second item that we announced yesterday was our data center design win with one of the top 4 hyperscalers in the country. So to dovetail on what Maggie was saying, data is the most important thing in the data center. Data drives all of our decision making. Data drives everything that we do, and it's the entire reason why we've created advanced technology architectures to enable us to obtain maximum leverage over our data. And we're going to continue to focus on that relentlessly, and we are incredibly proud to have actually every single department and agency and company on this call as partners of ours and customers of ours, helping them wring the most out of their data services. And in the end, delivering a modernized data experience for all of their agencies and organizations.
That is outstanding to recognize that, and hats off to the work at DOJ and the low footprint as far as being able to run that environment.
Yeah,
Jane,
that was pretty cool. No, wait, I have to say one more thing, Luke. Melinda, thank you. Thank you for trusting us.
It's my pleasure, although I don't think I could take sole credit for that or hardly that. Certainly, it's the great work of the IT professionals in our U.S. Attorney's Office that's been driving that. But I think storage, data, attorneys, volume of case information. So yes, I think, yes. Thank you, I should say, Nick.